Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. What makes you ride? There's something about the roar of an engine that ignites a fire in the soul, isn't there? The moment you straddle that machine, it's like the world melts away, leaving just you, the road, and the endless horizon ahead. For every biker out there, this isn't just a hobby, it's a way of life. The bond between a rider and their motorcycle is unlike any other relationship you'll ever experience. It's raw, it's powerful, and it's deeply personal. Let's dive into why we ride. It's not just about the thrill of the wind whipping through our hair or the adrenaline rush as we twist the throttle. No, it goes much deeper than that. Riding a motorcycle is about freedom, the kind that makes your heart race and your spirit soar. It's the freedom to escape the mundane, to break away from the routine that can suffocate us. When you're on that bike, you're not just a rider, you're a wanderer, a seeker of adventure. Each twist and turn of the road is an invitation to discover something new, whether it's a hidden cafe tucked away in the mountains or a breathtaking view that takes your breath away. But let's not forget the camaraderie that comes with being a part of a bikers club. It's a brotherhood, a sisterhood, an unbreakable bond forged in the fires of shared experiences. When you roll up to a gathering of fellow bikers, it's like coming home. You share stories, swap tips, and laugh together over the challenges of the road. The KLT community is a shining example of this unity. Here, we don't just ride together. We support one another, celebrate each other's victories, and lend a helping hand when things get tough. You're never alone in this journey. You've got a whole crew behind you, ready to ride through thick and thin. Now let's talk about that magical connection we form with our bikes. It's almost like a dance and a beautiful, intricate choreography that takes time to master. The moment you bring a new bike into your life, it's not just a machine. It becomes an extension of yourself. You learn its quirks, its strengths, and even its weaknesses. You get to know how it responds to your every command, how it purrs when you treat it right, and how it growls when it needs a little TLC. And that brings us to maintenance. Oh, the sweet joy of getting your hands dirty. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of tuning up your bike, knowing you're enhancing its performance and prolonging its life. It's a labor of love. Every wrench turn, every oil change, every moment spent cleaning and polishing. It's like you're nurturing a relationship. You're not just a rider, you're a caretaker. And when you see your bike gleaming in the sunlight, you can't help but feel a sense of pride. It's not just about the ride, it's about the journey you've taken together. Personalization is another layer of this bond. Every biker has a unique vision for their ride. Maybe you want to add a custom paint job that reflects your personality, or install new grips that feel just right in your hands. Each modification tells a story, a piece of you infused into the machine. It's not just about making it look good, it's about making it yours. When you look at your bike, you see a reflection of your journey, your struggles and your triumphs. It's a canvas on which you paint your life's adventures. And let's not overlook the freedom that riding provides. When you're on that bike, you're not just traversing miles, you're exploring the depths of your own spirit. The open road beckons, and you answer the call. It's a chance to escape the noise of everyday life, to feel alive in a way that's hard to put into words. Each ride is an opportunity to reconnect with yourself, to find clarity in the chaos. You learn to embrace the unknown, to let go of fear, and to trust in your abilities. Biking teaches us resilience. It's about facing challenges head-on, whether it's navigating through a sudden downpour or tackling that twisty mountain road that tests your skills. You learn to push your limits, to embrace discomfort, and to find joy in the journey, no matter how bumpy it may be. It's a lesson that transcends the bike. It seeps into every aspect of life. And let's not forget the stories. Oh, the stories we have. Each ride is an adventure waiting to be told. Whether it's the time you got lost on a back road and stumbled upon a hidden gem, or the epic road trip with friends that turned into a legendary tale, these moments become the fabric of our lives. We share them around campfires, at bike meets, and in the comfort of our homes. They're the threads that weave us together, creating a tapestry of shared experiences that strengthen our community. So, to every biker out there, whether you're a seasoned veteran or just starting your journey, embrace that bond. Bond with your machine. Cherish the freedom it brings, the friendships you forge, and the adventures that await. This isn't just about riding, it's about living life to the fullest, 1 mile at a time. So gear up, hit the road, and let the world know that you're part of something extraordinary. Together, we ride, we conquer, and we thrive. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the journey. Let's make some memories.